In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Steam API64 DLL error in Dying Light 2. If you've encountered this error, you know how frustrating it can be, preventing you from enjoying your game. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to resolve it, so let's jump right in and get your game back on track. First, you'll want to open the Steam app on your computer. This is your starting point for resolving the error, because we'll be using some of Steam's built-in functionalities to fix the issue. Once you have Steam open, the next step is to navigate to your library. You can find this option in the menu at the top of the Steam window. Just click on Library, and you'll see a list of all your games. Now, locate Dying Light 2 Inches your library. When you find it, right-click on the game's title. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties. After clicking Properties, you'll see a new window pop up. Here, you'll want to click on the Installed Files tab. This section allows you to manage and verify the files associated with your game. In the Installed Files tab, you'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on this option. What this does is check all the files for Dying Light 2 and make sure none are missing or corrupted. If any files are found to be problematic, Steam will automatically re-download them. This process might take a little while, but it's an essential step in resolving the Steam API64 DLL error. After verifying the game files, the next step is to click on Storage. You can find this option in the same window. Once you've clicked Storage, you'll want to navigate back to the main Steam window. Look for the Steam logo at the top left corner of the app and give it a click. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This section allows you to manage various preferences and settings within Steam. Once in the Settings menu, find and click on Storage. This will show you all the storage-related settings and options available. In the Storage section, you'll see a set of 3 dots next to your game library. Click on these dots, and you'll see an option labeled Repair Library. Click on Repair Library to initiate the repair process. This action checks your entire Steam library for any issues and fixes them, ensuring that everything is running smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively addressed the Steam API64 DLL error in Dying Light 2. It's a simple yet powerful way to resolve any file integrity issues that might be causing trouble. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be back to playing without any more interruptions. Remember, keeping your game files in check is always a good practice to ensure a seamless gaming experience. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now able to enjoy Dying Light 2 without any issues. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and gaming guides. Happy gaming!